creating content by hiring writers. Internet is all about providing information to people. That's why there is a huge demand for informative articles that other webmasters can use on their sites. But although you can write them yourself, there are times when you need some assistance in order to provide content to your visitors or for other purposes. You may need to hire a writer because of time restraints or because you are not familiar with certain topics. By hiring a writer, you can focus on other tasks and have your content written by other experienced people. There are several points to notice to get the proper content you need. Find out what kind of article you want to outsource. Decide the main purpose of the article. Do you want to use it as content for your website, submit to article directory, or as newsletter? Is it intended to pre-sell a product or just to get inbound links to your website? Prepare the keywords for the article. Look for writers. Visit freelance websites like elance.com and browse the profile of some writers. Usually, they provide their past works to show their writing ability. Check out the quality of their work. Don't forget to notice some comments from their own customers. But remember that no one is perfect. The rate of an article is around $5 to $35, but usually you have to order more than one article to meet a minimum order. The rules may vary. It is up to you whether you want to invite certain writers or not. Some writers can write a topic in details because of their background. The cost of hiring a writer is variable depending on the level of expertise required, the amount of research needed, and the nature of the assignment. Make sure to tell them clearly about the right you want to have with the articles. If you don't want any restriction of using the articles, tell them now. You may also think to not allow the writer to use his works for other purposes, e.g. resell them. Check the articles after you receive them. Make sure the writer you are hiring follow your guidelines. Make a note of his or her work. Can he provide quality work and respect your needs and deadline? By outsourcing the writing task, you will have more time to focus on other work you like. You will free up more time for marketing and advertising. Finally, don't forget to keep up with the latest information related to your industry, too, so you will know which topic is being hot and profitable. Hiring writers is a great way to provide useful content for your website's visitors easily. So give it a try.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.